As part of our industry training with ELATT, we went to Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a charity that provides spaces for startups and local businesses. They also run training programs like this one. First, we had a chat with Kathy about our career goals, work placements and training. Us Game Tech students went to visit Compost Creative VFX Studios, which are based in the building. They talked about working with companies like Netflix and Disney+. Apparently, they even worked on Call of Duty. Then, Sharif Dean from Analog Folk talked to us about digital agencies and what it's like to work in the field. That's me. I was talking about the Popworks advert. Sharif was talking about graphic design, and I wanted to know if anybody who worked on the Popworks ad was an illustrator because of its comic-esque style. And then we got back to the desk to talk about what we'd got out of the session and where we'd see ourselves next.